In this video, I'll be going over what the alphabet writing exercise is and how it'll help you fight writer's block. So let me ask you, are you having writer's block? Are you stumped in your story? Well, don't worry, I got you covered. Using this alphabet writing exercise will challenge you to think of rare words that you don't use very often. Don't forget to check out my kids' books that are located on Amazon and on Kindle. These are two kids' books and they are already self published. So take a look at them. And if you have Kindle, you get them for free. This exercise will have you look up words in the dictionary and the thesaurus. This will force you to find smart and unique ways to start sentences like with X and Z. So, for this exercise, you're going to begin writing a story by starting each sentence with a different letter of the alphabet. If you guys are getting valuable information from this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe so I can keep pumping out this amazing content. Now, let's jump back into the video, guys. You must use all 26 letters from A to Z to begin the first word in each of the 26 sentences. Okay, so let's try and start writing one down below in the comments. I'll start with the letter A. Adventurous yet dangerous, a young woman sets off across the ocean to find her missing sister, Amelia Earhart. So the next person can comment a sentence starting with the letter B and so on and so forth, all the way until we get to letter Z. And you guys can always start and making your own in the comments as well. I hope this writing exercise will help you fight writer's block and get you continuing writing your story. If you guys want to continue your creative writing lessons, you can check out the playlist above or the video. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button so I can continue pumping out this amazing content to help you with your story. And again, this QR code is here to help you find some of my books and other platforms to find my writing lessons. And always remember, keep writing, keep reading, and embrace rewriting. Thank you guys. I'll see you on my next creative writing lessons.